restaurant. This is awesome. And the dry fruits make it more tasty. I also like the dry fruits but not in mango mastani. I like the original mango mastani. So to make the mango mastani, we need mangoes. 4 mangoes chopped, 4 tablespoons of sugar, finely chopped pistas, 1 cup of full cream milk, and mango ice cream, or you can also use vanilla ice cream. We can make 4 glasses of mastani using these much ingredients. So first I will add the mangoes in a blender jar. Keep some pieces for garnishing. Then add the full cream milk, sugar, and blend it. So friends, now our mango mastani is ready. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.